Hello everyone, here you are at a store in Frankfort, and here you have another Goodman and another Bryant. This is an older Goodman and this is a newer Bryant. So here's this Goodman. It's got a G commercial fan motor. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And it looks like it's from 2006. This is the last year they made the Goodman CKLs. Yeah. Anyway, here's this Bryant. This one looks... Oh, it's wet. It's got a Browderson fan motor. It's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. 2022. This one's newer. They both have not been running because they're air conditioners and it's cold and it's December. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.